Good morning, everyone. I look disheveled today. So today's gonna be a vlog of transformation. So today we're gonna go through the entire process of looking disheveled to looking dapper. And of course, the best way to start that process is with a good shave. I've never shaved myself on camera before, so if I cut myself, it's on you. The neck is always the scariest part. See, the trick is on the first pass to always shave with the grain. So it's always important to know which way your hair grows. So for me, for example, I have two cowlicks right here, so my hair grows in many different ways in this area, so I have to be cognizant of the fact whenever I try and shave those areas. And you should always do the part around the mouth that lasts, because you want all the oils to saturate it to make the hair as soft as possible. The area under the chin is always the hardest to get to. Now we have the fun part of the shave where we can do it all over again. What they don't tell you about straight razor shaving is that you have to tug on your face a lot. If you guys want me to do a full straight razor tutorial, just comment below and let me know. Shaving up on the neck is always, it's always a little terrifying. Now it's time for the cool down. That's cold. There we go. Almost as smooth as a cartridge razor. And I barely cut myself this time. Great, now let's do a black mask. But not in the fun Batman villain kind of way. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how can a man look so good when he has a black mask on his nose? I don't know. You tell me. And moisturize for good measure. Great, so now let's go get a haircut so I can stop looking like a 1970s ne'er-do-well and start looking like a 1930s ne'er-do-well. I do kind of look like emo Peter Parker today. But first we actually have to pick out today's sunglasses, and I think I'm gonna go with my Oliver Peoples today. There we go. Man, it's a good day to get going. I am just curious, how has it gone from sunny to overcast and drizzly in like 10 minutes? So I'm here at my hair salon, about to try something new. Wish me luck. Alright, our hair is done. I tried to go with something new, so you guys let me know what you think down below. Alright, so I opted to go with something new this time just because I feel like men tend to get the same haircut for years and years and years and never change it up. So I want to encourage men to change their hairstyle just a little bit more. And this isn't even that much of a departure. It's still probably going to be that same comb over. It's going to be a little bit more of a fade on the sides. The hair situation has been taken care of, so now I just have to worry about the clothes that's on my back. So obviously the best way to upgrade your style is to go from a t-shirt to a suit. So today's suit, I actually want something to be very high contrast. So I want to make something very dark with a very light color. So this time I'm going to go with a very white shirt with this navy sharkskin suit. And then to balance it all out, I think I'm going to go with a navy tie. Now obviously, it's time for suit up montage. Just like that, I've gone from scruffy to dapper. Now it's your turn. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please click right here to subscribe or click right here to watch another video.